High bucket fill factors, fast cycle times and optimum machine availability are the key features for success in heavy-duty earth-moving operations and in the mining industry. O&K's answer to the challenge, the RH170, for maximum performance and minimum cost per tonne, even under the toughest conditions. As different as the landscapes and cultures on the other side of the world in Australia are, so too are the mining applications down under. About 120 kilometres north of Mount Isa in northeast Australia is the Gunpowder Copper Mine. Introduced in 1995, the RH170 represents O&K in the 350 to 360 tonne class. With its 18 to 20 cubic metre standard buckets and 2 engines developing together almost 1,700 horsepower, the excavator achieves a production of up to 4,250 tonnes per hour. This one, in backhoe configuration, is working in ambient temperatures of up to 50 degrees centigrade, equivalent to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Although the heat and dust make for tough working conditions, the RH170 is unbeatable when it comes to reliability and availability. The patented hydraulic cooling system works independently of all the main circuits, thus providing cool air even at idle speed. To protect it against dust, the swing system is equipped with a totally enclosed triple race swing roller bearing with internal gearing. Cycle times of less than 30 seconds enable the operator to load a 170-tonne truck in roughly 2 minutes using 5 passings. A number of components used on the RH170 proved their reliability on the O&K RH120 and RH200 in worldwide applications. Leighton, the owner of this machine, already operates 5 RH120s and 4 RH200s, which was one reason for the decision to buy 2 RH170s. Life and mining methods in California have changed completely since the gold rush in the last century. The Mesquite Gold Mine employs 2 O&K RH170s loading 140-tonne trucks double-side. As you can see, loading takes 4 passes, in other words, considerably less than 1.5 minutes. With the optimized undercarriage, O&K has set new standards in robustness and reduced maintenance. Better flow of forces, minimized wear zones and refined track pad geometry enhance availability, reducing downtime. The spacious, high-fitted cab provides excellent all-round visibility with an eye level of 7 meters for fast, clean and safe loading cycles. All important operating data, such as oil and water temperatures, are displayed on the board control system screen inside the cab. Should data exceed limit values, this is indicated optically and acoustically and is stored on an error list showing date, time, number of operating hours and limit value. All information can be printed out and teletransferred by radio or even satellite. As on O&K's largest excavator, the RH170, the hydraulics are controlled by an electro-hydraulic servo system, which provides exceptional utilization of the delivered energy. The comparison of stored target data with actual values and immediate online regulation ensure optimum performance under all operating conditions. Highly skilled and experienced personnel guarantees excellent quality, from the steel structure up to the final checks of the complete machine. O&K was the first German manufacturer of excavators to be audited and certified in accordance with ISO 9001.
It's Pablo. I've been working for this mine for 10 years, operating this equipment. It's very powerful, put about 200 loads a shift. It's real good and comfortable to operate this machine.
All O&K phase shovels are equipped with the patented Tripower Geometry, a simple but efficient solution to optimize kinetics and kinematics. Tripower. That means automatic parallel bucket guidance, which maintains a constant position for both crowding and lifting. But more operator comfort and higher bucket fill factors are not the only benefits. The system provides additional forces due to the triangular cams and stabilizer rods, which act as a transmitting hinge. Up to 50% more crowd force compared with a conventional attachment allows better penetration in interlocked material. Beside 40% more boom momentum when raising the shovel out of a pile, the momentum remains constant over the whole lifting distance. That means a loaded bucket can be lifted without retracting the stick, so there's no reduction in speed. Tripower, O&K technology for your productivity. Back in Australia, Stratford is a coal mine 200 kilometres north of Sydney. This RH170 is loading coal in a direct digging operation. Like all large O&K excavators, the RH170 is equipped with 2 engines, each with 38 litres displacement. Even in case of a breakdown or damage to one of them, the machine can continue to work with 60 to 65% performance, thus avoiding long-lasting downtime. The Cummins engines are well known for their good cold starting properties, fuel efficiency, smoke reduction, and excellent response on varying loads. Oil change intervals have been extended from 250 to 1,000 hours, thus reducing downtime and maintenance. O&K delivers different buckets for different applications. Varying sizes and stages of wear protection ensure the best solution for every job. Monoboom and arm are torsion-free and of a close-welded box design of high-tensile steel with massive castings at pivot areas. Robust steel construction and high-tech electronics combined with tried and tested components are the best preconditions for economic and efficient loading. More than 260 sold machines larger than 200 tons are proof of O&K's experience in this extraordinary excavator class. With the RH170, O&K is ready for the next century.